سلام، امروز میخوام یه ساختار جالب و ساده رو تو فارسی بهتون یاد بدم. In English we say stop talking. You keep talking, so stop talking. Use اینقدر and then حرف نزن. اینقدر حرف نزن. Don't talk too much. Stop talking because you keep talking. So let's see that in different examples. اینقدر داد نزن. سرم رفت. Stop shouting. You talked my head off. سرم رفت literally means my head is off because of your action here. It can be talking a lot, or like this example, it's somebody who is shouting, who is talking loudly for a while. اینقدر شیرینیجات نخور. واسه سلامتیت خوب نیست. Stop eating too much sugar. Literally, stop eating too many sweets. It means stop eating too much sugar. واسه سلامتیت خوب نیست. It's not good for your health. As you see, the usage of اینقدر is in a case that somebody keeps doing something. اینقدر به من زنگ نزن. مگه نمیبینی سرم شلوغه. Stop calling me. Don't you see I'm busy? So again, if somebody calls you once and you want to say don't call me, we simply use imperative. به من زنگ نزن. When you use اینقدر means stop calling me because you keep calling me. اینقدر سوال نپرس. Stop asking questions. اینقدر کار نکن. زندگی 2 روزه. یکم تفریح کن. لذت ببر. Stop working too much. Life is too short. Have a little fun. Enjoy it. If you'd like to support me to continue making new videos and lessons for you, and also to enjoy extra examples, please join my Patreon. اینقدر خودخواه نباش. Stop being so selfish. اینقدر سر و صدا نکن. دارم کار میکنم. حواسمو پرت میکنی. Stop making noise. I'm working. You distract me. حواسم رو پرت میکنی literally means you throw my attention away. So I'm not concentrated anymore. So what is the structure for? For example, keep plus gerund. For example, keep trying. Keep working. I will have another video on that topic. اینقدر فیلم نبین. پاشو بریم بیرون. Stop watching films for somebody who keeps watching films after films all day. پاشو بریم بیرون. Come on, get up, let's go out. اینقدر غر نزن. بس دیگه. Stop nagging. It's enough. Enough is enough. اینقدر با موبایلت بازی نکن. Stop playing with your mobile phone, which is a common problem these days. اینقدر حساس نباش. هر چی میگم فوری ناراحت میشی. Stop being so sensitive. Whatever I say, you get immediately upset. اینقدر دروغ نگو. زشته. Stop lying for somebody who keeps lying. It's bad. It's an ugly behavior. If you also have examples, please write down in the comment section. خداحافظ.